Hi guys, welcome back to Star Super Spa, where I teach you what mainstream beauty doesn't. Today we're taking a trip to get a Korean makeover. Now I'm Pakistani and I've never had professional East Asian, North Asian makeovers. I've had some for modeling shoots, but nothing that's really meant to be for the makeup itself, but more meant for like something else to stand out in the shoot. And I think Korean makeup is so cool because they seem to have a really good understanding of shapes and features, and you guys know that's what I'm all about. And I would just love to see someone else's perspective on my face who's maybe not used to doing faces like mine. This salon is really viral, like I see it all the time. I reached out to them for their lowest tier of makeup artist, and that was unfortunately not available because we did go during a holiday. So they said they can only offer the master makeup and hair artists, and the price for that was honestly too much for me. So I asked if they had any discounts for content creators, and they said they're open to collaboration in exchange for me posting a reel. So I posted the reel, you guys loved it. I thought I'd do a bit of an extended version for YouTube. So mine was free. We paid for my sister's, me and her split it, and this is the process of me getting it done, but you'll also see her result, which is really fun because I did a little bit different styles on us, but it looked so cool. I gave them complete creative control and they nailed it. I don't know how I came out looking like a completely different person, but it was so cool to see, and I hope you guys can pick up some of these tips. If you guys are interested in more content from Seoul, I have a Seoul vlog coming out. It's going to be 3 days full of shopping, eating, and beauty stuff, and some sightseeing as well. But we had the best time. It's me and my family, and I think the vlog is super fun. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. Guys, we're here only 7 minutes late, and they have a cute little cafe. They started off with a hair wash with a super nice massage, and they detangled it extremely quickly. I was really surprised. This was the beautiful makeup section. They prepped my skin and blow dried my hair. I really like how they brought my front pieces forward when they blow dried my hair. It made me feel like I had bangs. I've never had my hair blow dried in this way. It's so cool. This is when the makeup assistant was doing my skin prep. Her hands were so gentle and everything was really nice and cooling. I was a little bit nervous about this foundation shade match because I thought it was a bit light, but as she blends it in, it just goes seamlessly into my skin. I think it's definitely taking on the light parts of my skin rather than the more tanned parts, but I was really surprised how it looked when it was blended. This is where I was a little bit nervous because I thought I looked a little bit ghostly, but you'll see as the video goes on and you see me in different lighting, you'll understand that it was actually a really good shade match for the lighter parts of my skin. I took a little bit of footage on my camera. It's not very good, but I thought I'd share with you the notable parts of the makeover. The whole vibe of this look was very soft. The contour was to soften the face rather than define any certain parts. The eyeshadow was very peach pink coral, and I didn't think this color would suit me, but I do love the result at the end. Even the eyeliner is brown as opposed to black. She did my waterline like this, like super quick. I was very impressed. And then the wing was more downwards than upwards. The nose contour was also very softening and just brought shadow to the sides of my nose. Then the highlight was in these specific places on my forehead, my chin, the bridge of my nose. Now the mascara was also not super dark and it was very thin and light but sticky. This was the craziest part because she started heating up this wooden stick and putting it on my eyelashes, and when I asked her what this was for, it was to blend the lashes with my natural lashes and make them stick up better. So it was like fixing the lashes in a certain position, but she said don't try this at home, and I definitely won't because I'd be terrified of burning myself, and you guys please don't try it at home as well. In Korea, they love to define the little fat pocket under the eyes that we have when we're young. It creates a more youthful look. She also mentioned the blush is always in the apple of the cheek to bring that part out for a more youthful, soft, feminine look. And the contour is on the side of the face, not to define, but to soften and bring the attention to the center of the face, just like the blush does. She created this blurred out lip effect with this lip crayon, and it went over my lip line, which is not my biggest thing. You guys know I'm a double lip line girl, but I like how it looked from afar. She then used this pinkish red cream lipstick followed by a kind of peachy, orangey, reddish lip gloss, and she also overlined my lips with these areas as well. It created a beautiful kind of glossy glass honey glazed lip. She used some more contour to create a more V-shaped jaw for my face and soften up my cheekbones a little bit more, just generally softening the angles of the face. She then used this concealer hack where she used a lighter pencil shade on the dark circle itself, and I actually have been using this trick for a while, so I was really excited to see that she did it as well. But I don't have this concealer pencil and I'm obsessed with it. I need to find one because I forgot to get one while I was there. They even gave me a little pouch with some of the stuff. How cute. For touch-ups. Here's how we're looking. Definitely not my usual makeup, but learned a lot of tips and found a lot of good products, so I'm very excited for that. I think the complexion looks absolutely stunning and everything up close really comes together and is gorgeous. You'll see more and more lighting and you'll fall in love just like I did. Moving on to hair, I actually got really lucky with my hair and makeup artists. I was told they were some of the most highly sought after artists and I just got them on a day which was a holiday, so I was really lucky. Very meticulous but fast. It's been 1 hour and almost all my hair is done, which never happens to me, and especially at this quality of straightness. The difference between this hair and this hair is just wild. I actually really rarely use heat on my hair. This is my second time using any type of heat tools in 3 years. The last time I straightened my hair was in the spring, and the last time before that was in 2021 summer, so that's insane. I've never had my hair curled actually, and I thought it was absolutely stunning. Look at the result, how shiny and so good. I honestly couldn't be happier with the hair and makeup. It's stunning. The service was insanely good. The people were so nice, even though they barely spoke English. They tried their hardest, and I actually had a really good conversation with them. This is my sister. She got straight hair and a little bit different makeup. This is it in the daylight. I'm kind of really obsessed. I feel like I look like Megan from Cat's Eye. Do you think?
Meghan Markle?
A little bit. Okay, let me take that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you guys want to see my Seoul vlog, that's coming out next. And after that, I'm doing a hair removal series. So if anyone's interested in hair removal, please subscribe. Apparently like 90% of people who watch my channel are not subscribed. If you could subscribe, that would mean a lot. I'm trying to reach 150,000 and I have so much cool content coming soon. So see you guys in the next one.